Good evening, everyone. Other than some high clouds around, it has been a calm and warm day across west central Texas. Weather pattern looks to be a little bit more active. Wednesday night going into Thursday morning, gonna have a cold front moving through the area. It'll bring us some cooler temperatures and also a risk for some showers and thunderstorms. Cold front helps lift the air, and when you get that air lifting, we also have to talk about the chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Some of those storms we see Wednesday evening into those Thursday overnight hours could potentially be on the strong to severe side. Some of those storms could produce some quarter-sized hail, maybe a little bit larger than that, and some gusty winds. This is the most recent outlook from the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma. You can see just to the east of St. Angelo that 1 out of 5 marginal risk. Abilene and pretty much all of the eastern half of our viewing area included in that risk. 2 out of 5 slight risk from the Dallas area northward. It looks like the greatest threat going to be into Oklahoma. Cold front in Wednesday afternoon going to be in far west Texas, and Wednesday afternoon and really into the early hours of Wednesday evening, we look to be staying dry. Most of the activity going to be well up to the north. But once you get into those overnight hours, that's when we'll start to see a kind of a line of thunderstorms move through the area. You can see most of the activity going to be off to the east. Still though, over the next couple of days, we'll be getting better weather data and a better look at how exactly that risk is going to be in our viewing area. So make sure you stay tuned to the forecast. Meteorologist Kris and I are going to continue to take a look at those weather impacts. Right now though, things are calm. A live look in the Key City. You notice this right here where I'm pointing at on your television screen, seeing a little bit of rainbow colors. These are high, thin cirrus clouds over in the big country, and those really high clouds are made up of ice, and whenever you get the light reflecting on that ice, that's when you start to get those cool patterns. So a little bit of a cool science lesson for your Wednesday evening, or rather for your Monday evening. Sorry folks, it's Monday. What can you do? Low this morning was 65. High temperature was 90 degrees at St. Angelo Mathis Airport. Thankfully, just 1 degree shy of that record, daily high temperature record set back in 1912. Temperatures in the 80s area-wide right now, 86 St. Angelo, 85 in Abilene. You'll notice gusty winds coming out of the south. Could potentially be blowing some of those Halloween decorations. Monday evening plans going to be calm, and Tuesday and Wednesday going to be pretty warm. Tuesday pretty similar to today, and then Wednesday night into Thursday, that's when that cold front's going to come through. Halloween forecasting the high temperature to be 78, so it's going to be feeling pretty nice. Thankfully, I think all the impactful storms going to be out just in time for trick-or-treating. Make sure that you are paying attention to those potential weather impacts, weather impact alert day, Wednesday night going into Thursday morning. And remember, for your latest weather updates, you can always find them on social media. Now, for a closer look at big country weather, here's meteorologist Kris.
Yeah, Britton, you and I were talking about this earlier today. This is current threat package we're seeing Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Right now, we're not seeing anything that would indicate even less than a 2% chance of any tornado activity. The main threats that we see out of these storms potentially that will come through, probably hail, wind. You know, we might see some larger hail than nickels, even up to quarters, but we're going to have to get a couple more model runs in here, really take a look at this, and let's see some breakdowns as it starts to get closer and closer. We run it through our exclusive model runs, we put it into motion, as you can see. Our computer only calling for some very minimal shower activity. That line you saw right there, that was the cold front boundary as it sweeps its way in. And right along that cold front boundary, that's where the severe weather threat on Wednesday night into Thursday morning will come from. We're looking at about 68 tonight, mostly clear up here and fairly mild. It will be breezy. Overnight lows, upper 60s to low 70s. Now, not a bad situation there. For tomorrow, high up here of about 87, mostly sunny. It will be breezy again, fighting that low and high pressure, still battling it out. Temps ranging from a couple of mid-80s to maybe 1 or 2 spots, still trying to flirt with the 90-degree marker. You and I talked about this. We have a weather impact alert that is in play for Wednesday night into Thursday. Some of it could be strong to severe. We'll keep an eye on it for you, guys.